Good morning. The second coming of Obama may not have really pleased the Wall Street. They are now worried how the most powerful man in the world deal with or avoid the fiscal cliff. The sell-off on Wall Street and weakness in Asia means a weak start for the Indian markets, which has so far managed to clock gains for 6 days in a row. India will hope that the anti-outsourcing tirade amplified during Obama's campaign remains more of a campaign strategy and does not bring material impact to Indian companies. The Dow Jones closed over 2% lower below the 13,000 mark. The broader S&P and Nasdaq both lost over 2% each. Europe's debt crisis has hurt Germany's economy, which is displaying symptoms of fatigue. The European Commission in its latest economic forecast states that rising unemployment, higher taxes and reduced government spending will offset the positive effect of gradual recovery in net exports from the 17 Eurozone nations. The European Central Bank will have its policy meeting today. Interest rates are expected to remain unchanged. Among stocks to watch will again be the result oriented, including Tata Motors, which announced numbers after the market hours. The FIs were net bars of Rs 7.28 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 1.96 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 1.23 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we recommend selling L&T November futures below Rs 1,672 for the target price of Rs 1,602 and stop loss placed at Rs 1,707. Our derivative strategy for the day is: short Reliance November futures above Rs 804 for the target price of Rs 790 and a stop loss placed at Rs 811. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.